Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to check your Python version in your system. So let's start. So first of all, go to search icon and then type here command prompt and click on it and just type here Python version. So this is the most common error in my PC also. My Python version is not showing, so I will fix it. So first of all, go to this PC and go to the drive where you have installed your Python. So I have installed in new volume I, so I will double click on it. Then go to your Python folder and just double click on it and copy this path. After copying this, close here and right click on this PC, click on properties. Here click on advanced system settings. Here click on environment variables. Then click on path and click on edit. So we have to edit a new path here. So click on new and just paste your path here and then click on OK. So in this way our path is successfully pasted. So let's check again in command prompt. So enter here Python version. So my Python version is 3.9.6. So in this way we can fix our command prompt error of Python version. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.